I apologize for the background noise, but you have to deal with it. So I was 17 years old when I decided to make money because the life I want, the things I want, I have to go and get it, and I have to start as soon as possible because my parents can't buy me those things, can't give me the life and the life I want to give to my parents. I need to make money and I need to do it as soon as possible. So I've been grinding for like 6 months and I can't make a single dollar. I'm doing literally everything, but I'm not getting the results. I'm not making the money. I'm not being productive. I'm not getting healthy. My relationship with my parents not improving. I was just doing everything, but nothing was working. And then suddenly I started making $2,000 per month. I know it's not a big amount, but I live in a third world country, so $2,000 per month, that's huge for a 17-18-year-old kid. So I'm going to give you these 4 steps, just follow them as I say and you will make the biggest comeback of your life. So first one is pick one thing. Yes, there's 3 pillars of human life, which is health, wealth and relationship, and we try to improve all of them at once. We are trying to make money, we're trying to hit the gym and work out, eat clean, then we are trying to improve our relationship, maybe date a girl, networking with friends, and fixing all those trauma with parents, and we're trying to do all of that at once, and that's wrong because you will be 30% available here, 30% here and 40% here, and which is not the way to like make the growth, because someone is giving 100% in the money part and you are only going to give 40%, so obviously that person is going to outperform you, going to get your customer, going to get your sale and going to get your money, right? So pick one thing. So right now I know your health is fucked up, your wealth is fucked up, and your relationship. So I would suggest go with your wealth, because once you have the money, then you can have perfect diet, good gym, and all those kinds of stuff. And obviously your parents will be proud, so you can fix the relationship part, networking with friends, and dating someone. So pick wealth. Second point is cut the distractions. Yes, wake up and just go to the work, straight to the work. No need to do any morning habit, morning routine, or any kind of thing. If you're already doing something and it works, it's okay. If you want to do something, one or two things, it's okay, but you don't have to obsess at that. So the second point is cut the distractions, which is phone, people and your family, if you live with your family, right? So wake up, and for the first 6 to 8 hours of the day, you don't meet anyone, you don't receive any call, your phone is on airplane mode, and none of your family members should disturb you. You just say it out loud, tell them I don't know what you do, but first 6 to 8 hours is pure work with no distraction. The biggest distraction is your phone. Delete all the stupid app. You don't need Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, and all of it. You might have some business, pick one platform and delete others. You don't need that. Turn off your all notifications, like literally every notification. It's not worth it. It fuck ups with your mental health. Imagine, like, we humans are on this earth from thousands of years, millions of years maybe, and we like never had something which is like tupuk, 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 ting tong, like always bothering us, right? We lived like that, and now everyone have the phone and the notifications are there, so it looks like a normal thing, but it's not a normal thing. Turn off all your notifications for forever. Delete stupid apps and put your phone on airplane mode when you're working. Third point is habit tracker. See, if you are not tracking your growth, then you are not on self improvement, you're not improving, you are never going to make progress because you actually don't know what you're doing. So every sports person, athlete, businessman, everyone plans and tracks their performance. So you need a habit tracker, and this is how I would suggest. You set like 3 to 5 tasks for a day and you do all of them, then like this day, like 8th of October, it's done for you. Okay, that's win, that's win. Then again tomorrow you set 3 tasks but you only did two, so that's not a win, so you won't take, you would just cross that. All you need is 7 to 8 wins in a month and you are going to crush, you are going to get like 1000% growth and result, because those 7 to 8 or 10 days in a month are the days when you did everything, and there are other 20 days when maybe you didn't do like all 3 or 5 tasks but you did main 2 tasks. So it's like that. So you have to track your days and you have to do it for 1 year, whether you're building any habit or not. But this one is important so that you can see how well you did. In July, maybe you just got 5 days, 5 wins in a month. In August you got 22 wins, you were super motivated. In November you got, let's say, 17 wins. After 1 year you are averaging 15 to 16 wins in a month. That's you, that's some god level discipline. And the fourth point is, be supportive, be your friend, because see, no one is going to help you. Not me, not any other YouTuber, not book, writer, your parents, friends, girlfriend. No one actually is going to save you, no one is going to help you. People might say, people might be rude, people might be needy, selfish, and they just use you. No one is actually going to be your fan, going to support you. So you have to do it yourself. You have to be your biggest fan. You have to put yourself above everyone else. Let's say you fuck up, you said you're going to do these 3 things for today and you didn't do them. Don't be like, oh, I'm such a loser, this or that. Be positive. Say that, hey, not many people are actually planning their day. I actually did that. I'm trying to improve. It's okay. I fuck up. There might be some things that I don't know. That's why I fuck up every day, but at least I'm trying to improve. Be kind, be positive, and be proud of yourself that you're trying, you are doing the work. So you need to be your biggest fan because no one is coming to save you. Never ever talk negatively, always talk positive. Like, even if you notice yourself, you know, saying bad things to yourself, oh, I'm such a loser, I fuck up, I said I'm gonna fix tomorrow, I fuck up today, I just fuck up, I'm such a loser. Notice that you are doing it and shift it. Find something positive in it. It's like, yeah, I fucked up, it's okay. Yeah, I'm going to improve. Yeah, I say all the time I'm going to improve and I fuck up. There's something wrong with me, it's okay. But I'm going to find out, I'm going to learn. At least I have this will that I want to improve. There are lots of people who live on autopilot and they don't actually want to improve. So at least I'm better than them and I am going to improve. So be your friend. Let me summarize it. Pick one: health, wealth, or relationship at a time. Maybe 3 or 6 months you avoid health and relationships and you work on your wealth. Once it's fine, then you pick health, or you like prioritize health. Or maybe once you have wealth and all, then you prioritize relationship and your business is okay, your physique is okay, but your priority is your relationship. So pick one at a time, cut all the distractions, have a habit tracker. This is important. Like, from now on, how many years you're going to live, have a habit tracker. And the fourth one is, be supportive, be your friend, because no one is coming to save you.